Hey Mom, guess what? I got the new 2011 Camaro RS. It's a convertible and none of the dealers even have this yet. So every teen wants a convertible, right? I wouldn't recommend it for your first car, but second and third car, I think it's okay to have. This is a sports car. I mean, it's so cool. I've driven it for a couple days now and it sounds amazing. So for the trunk, you lift this up. It's actually pretty small. The opening's pretty small. But when you look further back, it can fit a lot. It goes out all the way. But it is very high from the ground. Very high from the ground. So this is just a sports car that you would drive around during the summer. So when you want the convertible down, all you have to do is you have to make sure your car is in park, or it will tell you it's not okay to take down. The windows also go down automatically. So what you want to do is, see this little lever right here that I'm touching? You want to pull down and twist. And then it will say in here, top not secure. Okay? So then, once you pull it down, it moves up, and you just press it back. The windows go down. There's actually something in the trunk. It may look like a guitar case, but it's actually the plastic cover so you don't get gunk and bugs on your roof. So now let's go put the roof back up. Let's see how it looks to put this thing up. All you do is just press the button up here. So when you start the car, the gauges sweep. So the radio is pretty simple. There's radio, FM, AM, and XM. There's CD, auxiliary. There's phone option. It goes through OnStar. Configuration is personal settings. And then tone, of course, is the bass and treble and everything like that. Also, the gauges down here are an exact replica of the original Camaro. As you saw in the heads-up display, this adjusts how high or how low you want it on the windshield, and this changes the look of it and the brightness. The sound system has Boston audio with a 10-inch subwoofer, which is sick. So let's look under the hood. Pretty big engine. It is a V6 engine, but you also have to look at fuel efficiency and what's the best car for a teen. Like I said, it's good for a second or third car for a teen, but definitely not your first car. Custom RS taillights. And the wing comes in the RS package.